Deshmukh, we missed him on the field yesterday. From what I hear, he's been shooting all night. Speaks volumes of the passion for this game.
Yeah, I know. I've been shooting all nights, and I've actually shifted one of my days to be here. And I shot all night, and I slept only for 2 hours. And I'm here. I love this game. I love this tournament. I love my team, Mumbai Heroes.
Well, any luck? Janila's actually sitting home watching this?
No, unfortunately, she's actually traveling. She's in America currently. But I'll have to update her with all the scores, who scored what and whatever.
Okay, so is she a fan of the game as well?
Yeah. She's not here, otherwise she would be with the flag of the team and cheering all over.
That would be a sight to see. How do you think the team's doing right now?
I think we had a great first over, and we just lost an important wicket Saqib. But 3 overs, 30 runs, we are on track. We hopefully get to a big total because this is a good team. Telugu.
Tell me, what sort of total would you be happy with?
I think for this team, we'll have to score anywhere upwards of 110 because I think the wicket is slightly slow, so it'll get difficult to score as the game progresses. But hopefully 110 is a great total. 120 would be great.
Well, hoping that you make it to 110, 120. Salman's in the stadium today. Does that increase the pressure for the players? Maybe you want to perform or not?
No, I see. Salman is a.
Saqib saying yes. It increases the pressure.
But it's always wonderful to see him here, cheering, and apart from being here, he's involved. He'll figure out who's scoring what and who's the batsman, what's happening. But he's extremely passionate. So if we win, he's happy. If we lose, then it shows on his face. He's just not a brand ambassador for CCL, but Mumbai Heroes being the home team, he would want us to perform well.
So there you have it. He's going to be a little upset if these guys don't win. So wishing you guys all the very best. Thank you for talking to us. Back to you guys at the box.
दैन से लौट वलूशा फिलहाल शब्बीर ने एक जोरदार छक्का लगा करके अपने इरादे जरूर प्रदर्शित किए हैं। और फिर से हालांकि कैच हिट की कॉल जरूर हुई थी ऑन द फील्ड ऑफ प्ले, लेकिन उसके बाद अंपायर का सिग्नल आया 4 रनों का।
बहुत बढ़िया स्ट्रोक यहाँ आलूवालिया का, बिल्कुल सीधा खेलते हैं। देखिए कैसे इन्होंने बिल्कुल सीधा
पूरी ताकत के साथ स्ट्रोक लगाते हैं। बहुत ही दिलेर खिलाड़ी हैं शब्बीर। क्षेत्र में यहां पर फिर से कैच छूट गया। ऐसा लगता है कि शायद अखिल थे टीम के कप्तान, अखिल अकेनी। काफी मुश्किल होता है इस तरीके से अपने पीछे जाकर के कैच लपकना, लेकिन तारीफ करनी होगी अखिल की जिन्होंने प्रयास किया कैच लपकने का। देखिए किस तरीके से सर ऊपर चला गया था शॉट खेलते हुए।
बहुत अच्छा ट्राई मैं कहूंगा वहां पर कैप्टन का। देख सकते हैं आप शब्बीर आलूवालिया को खेलते हुए, और दोबारा एक बार, और ये ग्राउंड से बाहर।
बिल्कुल धोनी के अंदाज में इस शॉट को खेला शब्बीर आलूवालिया ने। हालांकि इसमें हेलीकॉप्टर टच ऑफ ग्लास नहीं थी, लेकिन धोनी जिस तरीके से ओवर पिच बॉल को ठीक लॉन्ग ऑफ क्षेत्र में डिस्पैच करते हैं, बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से बहुत अच्छा फिनिश किया था बैट को पूरे फ्लो के साथ 6 रनों के लिए।
बिल्कुल T10 क्रिकेट की फीलिंग लेते हुए यहाँ पर शब्बीर आलूवालिया। देखिए पूरी ताकत उन्होंने पीछे लगा दी उस शॉट के।
ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ खास तैयारी के साथ आए हैं शब्बीर। इस तरीके से खेल रहे हैं, बहुत ही फोकस दिखाई दे रहे हैं, एकाग्रता के साथ बल्लेबाजी की है अब तक। कोई जरूरत नहीं है इस प्रकार के स्ट्रोक की, सीधा खेले। फिलहाल 4 ओवर हो चुके हैं मुंबई हीरोज के, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर 49 रन। चलते हैं वलूशा के पास एक बार फिर से।
We have with us a man who needs absolutely no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, today in the stadium we have with us none other than Salman Khan. Salman, it's really lovely to have you here. It's really very cold. Are you used to the cold?
No, I'm not used to the cold. I just keep on getting a lot of aches and pains because the bones are broken during action, so it's difficult. Cold is difficult. I'm getting used to it now.
Oh, your boys are playing on the field today. You being on the field, do you think that's increasing the pressure out there?
So whenever I have come for a match, I think our team has lost. I think
Your team has lost when you've come.
yeah, but I think they're doing a really good job today.
They're doing.
यहाँ पर एक और सफलता अर्जित की तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने स्ट्रोक के पीछे पूरी ताकत नहीं लगा पाए थे, हालांकि जोरदार स्ट्रोक जरूर खेले शब्बीर अहलूवालिया ने, लेकिन इस बार कोई गलती नहीं की तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के फील्डर ने। देखिए किस तरीके से बैट फ्लो काफी अच्छा था, लेकिन एक बार फिर से सिर उनका ऊपर चला गया। दो खिलाड़ियों के बीच में भिड़ंत होते होते बची, लेकिन इस कैच में जो सबसे खास बात ये थी कि अंतिम समय तक बॉल के ऊपर निगाहें टिकाए रखी। बहुत अच्छा नियंत्रण और संतुलन देखने को मिला शब्बीर अहलूवालिया और अश्विन बोल्ट प्रिंस।
So we left off when you said you actually came to every game and Mumbai Heroes lost. That's not really very good.
अच्छा नहीं, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं, जैसे कि बात कर रहा था और एक विकेट हमारा भी चला गया। तो बट आई थिंक उसके बावजूद हमारी टीम बहुत अच्छी खेल रही है एंड आई थिंक वी शुड परहैप्स with the cricket gods being on our side, we should win this game.
Well, I hope that you win this as well. The one question I think that everybody here wants to ask is, why are you not on the field? Why do I not see you bat in hand, knocking some across the field?
I think ऐसा हो कि अगले अब शूटिंग में बाहर तो मुझे प्रैक्टिस का मौका नहीं मिला, so I don't go there and make a fool of myself. Only if I'm really good, better than the players that we have, that I would play cricket. And today something really unfortunate happened. This is life. This is life के हमारा एक भाई है, उसका नाम बिबाश। तो वो बिबाश हमारे साथ उसके फादर के टाइम से थे। So Honey Uncle, Honey Chaya was my secretary, and he used to write with my father. And he got cancer, he passed away. Then his son Biba started working with us. So every day, 365 days a year, he was there with us, and we lost him this morning. But I guess, like this, the way they say that, the show must go on. We are here, and we all love Bibash as a brother. He was everything to us. All our lunches and dinners and breakfasts and all our work was done by Bibash, and we will miss Bibash on every function, every day, every call that we made to him to do some paperwork or the other, and to the lunches and the breakfast, and we'll just see that one person is no more with us, and may God bless his soul.
Well, it's always very unfortunate when we lose somebody who's really close to us, and I hope that his soul rests in peace. It's beautiful that you spoke about him, and it's sort of a tribute to him. Thank you very much for being here this evening. I wish we could have actually seen you on the field. You are actually looking in really terrific shape, I must say. But hopefully we will see you next time.
Next year CCL, I should be playing with the boys.
There you go. Next year CCL. He is. Are you going to stick around for more time?
Yes, I'm going to be here.
I have one more question. I mean, because you're like bachelor and all. What are you doing tomorrow night? That was just a joke. See you guys.